So today we are unboxing some IEM earphones by Moondrop. These are the quite popular now Moondrop Chus, high performance dynamic driver in-ear monitors. So we have the front, and then we have the charts on the back, frequency responses and whatnot. Housing material is zinc alloy, 10mm double cavity dynamic driver, and there's some other specs there. It terminates in a 3.5mm jack, so if you are using these with a phone, you will probably need a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. We'll just take the laminate off. There we go. These are relatively inexpensive, and they are getting quite popular as of 2022. These have been out for a few months now, for their value for money price point. So we have a little foam block here with the IEMs inside, and then there's the cable underneath. Just take that out, put that to the side, and we'll come back to the IEMs in a little second. So we have a carry pouch here made out of a felt type material, with a button clasp with the Moondrop logo there. Put that to the side up there. We have what is this? Some sort of QA QR code, and then we have a introduction, initially in Chinese, but I suspect English would be on the back. How to wear them, after sales, and a warranty card. Fairly nice considering the price point of this product. And then we have a quality control marker there. And I think these would be the box containing the ear tips. Or extra ear tips. I believe these come with spring tips, which is the newer style design. So that's it for that one. We have silicone style over ear hooks, and then we have the spring tips. I'm not sure if they come through. Oh, they do. You can see the spring tip design there. So I'll try them out, see what fits the best. And the IEMs themselves, so we'll unravel them. So that is the packaging to the side, and these are the IEMs. No tips fitted out of the box, so I'll have to try and see which one fits best. Nice Moondrop logo, nice metal housing, feels quite high quality already, which is impressive again considering the price. And I'm looking forward to testing these out considering the tuning is well received already, and it terminates, as you can see there, in a 3.5mm headphone jack with a 90-degree termination. Cable feels nice, nice and pliable. It's some sort of silicone type feeling cable. And then we have the Y connection here, which is quite large considering the cable diameter. Bit of an interesting choice, but no doubt that is secure. And the 90-degree plug as well. I prefer straight plugs, but 90-degree terminations are much stronger in terms of long-term reliability. So that is the unboxing and what you get in the